Guest who subscribed to my dad. Santa Claus did. Is that how he watches people? Just to subscribe to people? How interesting is that?
Maybe he's watching you.
Uh-huh. Does he do that on all vlogging channels? Because that'd be amazing.
We're up here at the Wellness Complex hanging out together today. Lorena brought her friend Lily along. They're out there playing around the water. Neither one has actually been here before to hang out in the lake, and it seemed the perfect day to do it. Slight breeze, really hot, water's nice and cool. You having fun, Lorena?
I am!
Is it working for you? Is the whale working? You having a good time out here at the lake?
Yeah.
It's a nice day, isn't it? Is your big orca whale working?
Yeah.
What did you name it?
Priscilla.
Priscilla?
Right? Like Elvis's wife.
Like what?
Elvis's wife.
Oh. Yeah. You gonna go back out and play some more in a little bit? Or are you done?
I think we're gonna go back out and play.
All right. It's a really gorgeous day out here, isn't it? There is a lot of people. Not nearly as packed as I thought, but it is a Monday. Whole bunch of canoes out there.
Yeah, they rented them.
Did they? Awesome. You glad you came? Good deal. You gonna catch some sun?
Yep.
Don't burn.
I need my legs to get tan.
You need your legs to get tan.
Get that summer body. They're all like, my shins are really light.
Suntan just equals damaged skin. The mirrored version. Okay, swap them out with these again. The magic hand comes in off screen. Okay, now change your sunglasses out. Alright.
Hi, we're at Tasty Treat having some ice cream. It's been a really hot day today.
Today we went out to the antique store. Secondhand, I guess.
Did you get anything? Yeah. What'd you get?
A big, giant, fluffy white fur coat.
We'll have to record some of that so we can show what you picked up. You like it?
It's really cute. That's not cute at all. It's very fancy.
Fancy?
Fancy.
What else did you do?
I went to Walmart and I got these sunglasses. And
Nice, I like them.
We came home, we got another package in the mail. This is the one that Lorena's been looking forward to.
Really?
Open them up. What is it?
The easier dress.
So, from China, a lot sooner than they first said it was going to be here.
What kind of dress?
Want to start butterfly dress?
Your Comic-Con outfit?
Oh. What? Wow, it came with that.
It wasn't supposed to come with that. It's the right color. How frick do I open this?
So this is your Comic-Con outfit, right?
Cosplay? Uh-huh. And I got the purse. That was poorly made. Look at that.
Yeah, I'll have to do a little cutting, I'm sure.
So we got the purse. Opens up.
Be thankful to get something at all.
Look at how low it goes.
That's an easy fix, though.
Yeah.
This will use
Oh.
something else.
Oh.
Oh, the socks. Oh, we like the other socks better.
Oh yeah, extra socks.
But the dress is the dress.
Let's hope it fits. This was one
I
thing
ordered
I
a
should...
size little big so we could take it in. It's easier than taking it out. So, oh, awesome. That's great.
So there's your outfit?
Yeah, we have better socks.
Yeah, those are pretty sad. It's a good thing we did get the different socks. That actually looks like socks. What are you doing, Shadow?
What?
He's like, I smell something strange. Okay. Yeah, put that little weird thing on. Yeah, this headpiece is pretty bad.
We're just gonna order.
We're gonna have to find a new headpiece. But, so this is your costume?
Dress anyway.
What else do you need still?
Boots. I might need a longer. I might need a wig.
Why?
A longer
Because her hair goes down to her knee pits.
Does it really?
Yeah, it does. But if we could just get something that goes down to my waist, that'd be perfect.
Alright. You happy with the dress? That was the hard part, so yay.
Yeah, that's the hard part.
We'll take and fill that purse full of, I don't know, like paper for the next few weeks and get it all kind of puffed up.
Shape it.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna tighten the waist and take it and stuff.
Shadow.
Don't let my dress. Don't dare me.
Lorena, don't run.
No, stop it.
Shadow.
Oh my gosh.
So tonight's picnic number 4, and instead of being at a park, well, we're at a little bit of a different park. We're out at the Oregon Trail gun range because we've come out here tonight to have our picnic and to spend some time shooting. Lorena's brought her 22. We got a couple ARs we can practice, and Sheila's going to work on her Glock, correct?
Yes.
So goes the theory. You okay?
Yep.
All right. Domino's is our wonderful dinner tonight. Our, be honestly, kind of greasy dinner tonight. Man, there is so much grease on here. This could hurt somebody. Ah. Look at that. That's what you get for paying for Domino's pizza. That's awesome.
$5.99 a pizza.
And so much oil on this that, oh, I left a smear stain. Lessons learned.
No. Never buy cheap at Pizza Hut either.
Everybody makes fun of Little Caesars, but Little Caesars trounces this. Less expensive, about 1,000 calories less grease.
Bye bye.
Well, you guys are awful with napkins. Again?
Again.
Just like the ice cream. Don't get on your shirt.
Luckily, it's only a 22.
That was a funny sound. You breathing? Okay, you're empty.
Flinched.
You flinched.
Yeah, I'm always like, whenever I shoot a gun first, I'm really scared the recoil is gonna be like really big.
The recoil. Recoil. Which one are you shooting at? Well,
You got him a few times.
yeah. You hit him here, and you got him here, and you hit the clown behind him there, and you
Got his
put a
hair.
hole in his hair. That's gonna make him grumpy. It costs a lot to get that dyed green. Right?
Yeah, I did pretty bad.
But you know what? You got a brain shot, so you survived.
Hopefully that was the first
This
one.
one killed you.
It was my first time shooting up
I know.
standing up, so it's gonna be bad.
It's been a while.
Usually I'm pretty good.
Yeah, you are. And you're right. Normally you have it on a rest, so good for you. Go. You good? So Sheila's shooting the AR. Something you haven't done a lot of, huh?
Nope.
All right. We got 3 targets if the wind doesn't blow this away on me. Dust storm. So the sun's going down, we're all done?
Yep.
Did you have a good time shooting, Joe?
Yep. It was fun, but I still have a lot of practice to do.
Well, it's because we haven't been practicing. I don't think you've shot in close to a year.
I think the last time I was up here was when Aaron and Kevin was up here.
Which was, I think, in October, September. It's been 8 months.
Wow.
7, 8 months for sure. Do you like shooting the 22? You ever going to shoot the rifle? They are?
I am 13.
13. No, you need to shoot
fun.
before that.
I liked it. It felt good. I love the grip. No, it didn't hurt at all. I thought it would,
No.
but it didn't.
No, it's a 223. It doesn't hurt.
Nope, felt
What are you
good.
doing?
Great scope. Freaking careful.
Nice sunset with the porta potties in the picture there. Like,
We're at Burger King having breakfast.
what are you going to eat?
Sandwich.
How do you say it?
Sandwich. I don't know how to say it. You do it better.
The place is busy today.
Well, tourists just arrived.
Well, before they head out to Yellowstone.
I just went to the orthodontist and they got our braces tightened. Whoa, what the heck? So now then we got the color changed and another lavender.
Yeah.
And then we're talking about bottom braces and stuff like that. So once my teeth start coming in, then I'll get bottom braces.
Can you guys not read?
Like they put it there and we're stuck over here, I guess. I got a discolored scorpion with mystery gill. I got stuck with you. We gotta go skate? Yeah. Yeah. Skating.
Once again, if you'd like to please shoot the duck, please make your way to the black starting line. If not, please come all the way up to the skating floor. Alright, here in just a second, I'm going to put on a song. When the song starts, you may begin to skate. You need to build up as much speed as you possibly can. As soon as you hear me blow my whistle, you need to go down into the shoot the duck position. The last person who's moving forward in the shoot the duck position will win a free drink from the snack bar. Remember, you cannot touch the walls or floor with any part of your body. If you do, you will be disqualified. So, if you're ready, here we go. Alright, so here's that'll shoot the duck. Congratulations.
Good job.
I won 2 things tonight.
Awesome. What else did you win?
I got a free startup from Musical Numbers.
Cool. I've been downstairs in the garage most of the day working. Lorena's been up here doodling. It looks really good, Lorena.
Thank you.
You like that?
Uh-huh.
Looks awesome.
Started doing things down here.
Practicing?
Yeah.
It looks really good. You've been doing this for some time now, haven't you?
Uh-huh.
Pretty much all day. I don't know why my camera does that. It goes all blurry. It looks really nice. What's this one?
Oh, that one's bad. Don't even look at it. That was before I started doing it.
It's not bad.
It's pretty bad, actually.
Looks awesome.
Looks like she has dreads. Look how much the hair looks. How much better the hair looks compared to that.
Yeah, the second one's hair looks better. Still a really nice job drawing.
Thanks.
Finished copy of her picture. She's done coloring it. Now she's trying to cut it out. It looks really, really, really well done. That's your first one, huh?
Yep. Uh-oh. I didn't do it right. That's still there. I'm gonna cut that off.
Well, be careful. Don't get too close. You want to just trim only that piece off.
Yep.
You're too far up, I think, aren't you?
No, it's weird. The cutter does this. It's weird.
So Sheila was in here just now cooking. She's making herself some cornbread and hard-boiled egg. You want to look at me? You got spots and speckles all through your hair.
It's egg.
It's egg.
I was warming up a hard-boiled egg, and it exploded. This is what's left of it, and it's all over the kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't know that could happen.
I didn't know that could happen either.
Oh my
It is
gosh.
up and underneath the counter. It's on the ceiling, way up there.
Oh my gosh! I think I got it in my eye.
It is on the back counter.
Oh, look.
It is on the clean dishes.
Oh my gosh!
On the dishes we just put on the counter as well.
Oh.
It is on the floor.
I am gonna have a mess to pick up. I'm gonna eat first.
Look at on the fridge, on the pictures.
So this is what happens when like a grenade explodes.
This is what happens when I'm in the kitchen.
No kidding. You do have issues in the kitchen. This is like only could happen to you kind of situation. Man. That's funny.
Oh man.
Have fun cleaning that up. I can't believe it's in your hair and all over you. You just had your hair done about an hour ago too, huh? Good luck getting that out without washing it. So a quick search does show that if you take a hard-boiled egg and microwave it for 45 seconds or longer, and then poke it with something, the egg does actually explode. Who knew? That is not something I actually thought I would ever Google. Live and learn. Anyway, thanks for watching, and a big thanks to everybody who subscribed. I hope life has been giving you a reason to smile. Until next time, see ya. So it's picnic number 4, and tonight we've gone somewhere.
We haven't been before? What? I looked at the lid and Charlie blocked them from the camera. Oh.